Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fans Gaming. This is January 2024, part 2 of the Patreon. We'll be looking through some D&D, Warhammer, and some figure STL prints. So if you guys are interested in it, links for these patrons that I'll be looking through be down below. If you do enjoy the video, subscribe, like, and share. And let's get to it. So we got a load of prints. I don't think we have anything out for January fully out yet, but we got some harpies. We got Baba Yaga's hut with a whole bunch of dead bodies on the tree. Let's see here. We got some cat, dogs, some woodland creatures as well, and some hags. And hags on broom. Let's see if we get some closer pics of these things. We got some ugly looking ogre hags. And we got some shrooms, slimy shrooms. I think these are ghouls or something. I don't know. I think this is Baba Yaga. By Bayun. So we got the house. We put in house and stuff. I don't know if I want to. Should I print the Baba Yaga's house? Let me guys know because it's gonna be a big ass print. Some kind of cat on a totem. If you know what kind of cat this is supposed to be, let me know. We got some harpies. A lot of harpies. Different poses of harpies. I think the feathers would be a lot easier to use with speed paints. Like that. Looks like a tree ant. And looks like some kind of vine undead creature. Don't know what they are, but they look ridiculously creepy. I'll tell you that right now. Some wood creatures. Fox. And we got some gnomes. Looks like it. Mushroom people, I guess. Some crazy mushroom people. A gnome that likes mushrooms, I guess. And use it to cover. We got some weird looking ones. I'll tell you that right now, but I think it'll be pretty good to use for the campaign. For it, and that'll be a whole bunch of mushroom after that. Wade Studio. We have nothing for January yet for Wade Studio, but I'll put the link down. Nutshell Altair. I don't think we have nothing for January for this yet. We'll come back to it if we have to it. I think for January we're getting Queen Asara from WoW figure for it. And last was this one for last month, but we'll come back to it if you have time towards the end of the month. The Maker Cult. For this, for January, we got for Warhammer Proxies. I think these are mostly 30k figures. I'm looking at it right now. I think these are a lot of these are 30k figures as well. If you're playing Warhammer 30k, go for it. Clay Beast Creation. For this, I think writing time. I think it's Elf on a very slimmer version of an owl bear. But elf on a some kind of weird looking elk. But I don't think they done much for this year, I'm guessing. So we'll find out towards the end of the month, I guess. Stefan V sculpts. These are just figures. They're not showing anything for January yet. Blue Wyvern. We looked at some of these. January, we got some Rabbit Ninjas. That might be something you guys might enjoy. Some rabbit, royal samurai looking thing with drinking tea and a sword. You got some rabbits running around with the kunai. I think that's what they're called. Another, and looks like Rabbit Samurai. So if you're working on Rabbit Folk, this might be pretty good. Sin 3D Studio for let's see here for oh yeah, this would be it for for this month. I forgot this girl that is from High School of the Dead and these firefighters. I think it was called Fire Squad, something kind of anime. That she will be up next. G Sculpt Art, another figure sculpt. We don't think we have anything for January yet. We'll see towards the end of the month. Same thing with Nelson Texera Torjano. And this one is Merge Project Figure. For January, we got Ryu and Ken coming up. So if you're into Street Fighters and like Ryu and Ken, is their younger years, that'll be it. Yeah, nothing from Legion. I think they stopped making stuff, so I might end up canceling it. Rodon Studio. Uh, they already, they're, this is the December one. I don't think this is the January one at all. I think it's Frieza and Edward Alchemist from last month. CG Pyro Digital Artist. Let's see here. These are December ones. Next, I'll put the links down if you guys are interested to checking back and stuff on them. SunX 3D. Looks like getting Fallout 3D printing, but I don't see anything for January. It's like a lot of times stuff won't be coming out to like middle of the month. A lot of times people will have their stuff, but I'll leave their stuff out upcoming next month. That will be 3D printing round. Some mutated lizard, looks like it. Drunken dwarf. You will not be charged. Okay, they're having a pause for the month. Nova Minis. Okay, this is December. This is January. For Nova Minis, we'll take a look at. If it loads! That's one thing. Greatest randomest counters for we got Umber Hulk. Doesn't look great about Umber Hulk and a Crocotus, I believe it's called. They don't look good at all. Grim Lair. Some of these prints aren't. They used to be really good with their prints, but holy shit. I don't know why it's bad. I'll put them down if you're interested. Dragon Collectors. Last day download. Figures for next month. So it'll be Batmage. They're doing this by month. They're going by the Metal series from the DCs. Realm of Path. January preview. We have, if you like Bloodborne, this might be it. We have tree ants, lizard, four-legged lizard, and a dwarf. Oh, there's 8 photos of it. A bunch of dwarves. Don't know what the hell that guy's supposed to be. So if you're interested in the game of Blood Bowl, this might be the minis that you might like to get for your game. We already looked at that. We can cancel that one out. Okay, Azure Studios. Not ready yet for next month. This is Titan Troll Miniatures. For them, we got some undead, city guards, folks, hags, and a dragon, and some bust. Undead guy. So if you're into having some undeads, go Rocket Pig Games. That's December release. I don't think we got anything for January for them yet. I think he's gone now too. I don't think they have anything out for January from Creative Greek. Let's see here. Daimu 3D. I think they're doing Shadowheart. So Shadowheart's going to be next. Sexy looking Shadowheart. So if you're interested in getting Shadowheart, they'll be having that this month as well. Well, that'll be it for part 2. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down the bottom. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.